Hello and welcome in the Dyson Web Interface overview video. In this video, we'll go through Dyson Protocol Web Interface, which allows us to interact with the chain, and we get familiar with all the sections which are available for us in the web interface provided by Dyson Protocol out of the box. Let's start from accessing and reviewing all the sections we can find in the Dyson Protocol Web Interface. To access Web Interface, open the web browser and go to this.dysonprotocol.com. Automatically, Kepler Wallet will be connected to the website. In the top section of the web page, you can see handy links like Documents REST API. That allows to access documentation on the Dyson Protocol website, which can be helpful in preparing scripts and interacting with the chain. Also, API might be very handy, and you can open the link which allows you to interact with Dyson Protocol API, try the functions and see how that works. Back to the main page, where you can see name of the wallet connected currently to the website, chain ID, height of the chain, and also you can swap between dark and light mode of the website. On the left side of the Dyson Protocol interface, you can see the menu, which allows you to interact with particular functionalities of the Dyson Protocol chain. We'll briefly describe all these items in the following parts of this video. Let's have a look at My Scripts section of the Dyson Protocol web interface. In My Script section, you can write a code which then can be executed on chain. I just did copy-paste of the ready-to-go application, which then can be executed by clicking Save Now button. That triggers Kepler Wallet to initiate transaction, which is then submitted on chain. Once that's done, we get the hash of the transaction and our application is ready for the review. We can just click View the application, which opens the URL we can see in the URL bar, which actually redirects us to the application. Now, that's how it works. Let's have a look what we can find in My Assets section in Dyson Protocol web interface. After opening My Assets section, we can see all the assets which are assigned to our wallet on chain. These are coins, NFTs, and names. As you can see, the only asset I have in the demo wallet is this token, and the amount of the token is visible on the screen. Let's have a look at My Scheduled Runs section. Scheduled runs is a unique feature of the Dyson Protocol chain, which allows to schedule script to be executed at certain chain height. Once the chain will reach certain block, this script which is scheduled here will be executed. In here, we can track the information about the script which will be executed, height at which the script will be executed, and how much time left for the execution to occur. Now, let's see what the Names section has to offer. Names section allows us to assign human readable name to our wallet on Dyson chain. In here, we can choose the name we want to assign to our wallet. Keep in mind, this name cannot contain this word. Then we need to define the price we want to pay for our name. Once that's done, we can just simply register the name on chain. Now, that name will be associated with our wallet, which will allow easy access to our wallet and our applications. We can also browse in the Names section names already registered on the chain. Eventually, we can make an offer and try to purchase one of those. In this section, we can also see names assigned to our wallet when we click My Names. In here, I got demo name.this registered with my wallet, And that is also URL which can be used to access application defined in the earlier section of that video. As you can see, now we got easy to remember name associated with our wallet and the application. Let's have a look at NFTs section now. In NFTs section, we can see collections of non-fungible tokens created on Dyson Protocol chain. In here we can see available collections, as well as we can browse the collection content once we click on ID of the collection. In here, example collection foo.this has no tokens defined at the moment. Let's have a look at coins section now. In the coins section, you can see all the coins minted on Dyson Protocol chain. You can see the nomination of the coins, this name of the coin, total supply. You can also filter coins from the list to search for the coin which interests you by using search bar at the top of the list. When you click on this name of the coin, then you can see the coin details. You can also mint your own coin. Just keep in mind, to do that you have to register the name in the names section. Now let's see what we can find in commands section of the Dyson Protocol web interface. In this section, we can interact with the chain using commands which are usually available from the command line interface. Let's see on the example of the names command. We just select the names and then name all. That will list all the names available on the chain. In here we can also see the code snippets we can use in our own Dyson scripts. Then we can browse through parameters to finally click Run Query button. That will execute the command and give us the result. Let's have a look now in the last section of the Dyson Protocol web interface, which is Python functions. In this section, you'll find the list and the reference of all Python functions which are available on Dyson Protocol chain and can be used to write scripts which then can be executed on Dyson Protocol chain. That was the last section of our Dyson Protocol web interface overview. Enjoy playing around with Dyson Protocol chain. Until next time.